So what I'm about to demonstrate is AI Helper. Honestly, what it is about is it's a layer of context and memory that can persist over time for your LLM models. And in plain English, or practically what that means, is that you can give the LLM model certain context, certain instructions, certain information, and let it keep it as a context and provide information based on that context. It can be like the use cases for it are pretty endless, and I'm going to demonstrate how that works with this use case. So, for example, we have it set up to where it's right now working as a helper agent for support of this app. So CSI Works makes apps that are like a point of sale apps. Mix and Match specifically is a discount automation app. And so we're using LLM to help merchants and answer questions that are specific to this app, how to set it up, how to troubleshoot it, things of that sort. And on the back end, we are giving it our knowledge base, our resources that we have, the user manuals, the videos, everything that we have about Mix and Match, to LLM, so that on the front end, customers can talk to it, and it will keep all of that information and context in mind when talking to them. So let me demonstrate how that works. What can you do? What can you do? And it'll say, hi, I help with mix and match capabilities for CSI and Clover PPS. Here's what you can do. Create discounts and so on. And now, and enter the password. All right, so on the back end of it, what powers the mix and match helper is all of these documents, right? And there's plenty of them, and these documents are sourced either from YouTube, from websites. In our case, we just gave it a knowledge base that we have, right? And all of its articles got converted into context, about the app for CSI Works. And let me demonstrate how that would work if I were to start from scratch, right? So we're going to go back to the admin section, and here I'm going to add a new project, right? And we're going to call this thing, I'm going to say that this is Advanced Fees App Support Agent. Help consumers answer questions about advanced fee app. All right, so that'll be the context. We're creating this agent now. All right, so we gave it this agent, and here we can switch and say, okay, now we're in this agent. So here we are, we're in advanced fees app support, and there's nothing that it has in way of documentation, but we can start giving it context. Let me give you an example. So how item fee works. So here's an example of a video that we can give. So we're going to grab this link here. We're going to come here and say, here's the URL. All right, and the transcription is going to get added when we add the video, like this. All right, so here it is. The video was added, and let me just edit it. You can see that the transcription was added as well. And then we can go to websites and grab, let's say, advanced fees. So we have this website here that has all of these articles, right? So we can grab this URL and come here and say add a website and say here's the base website, and then enter the path with empty to include all path, exclude. All right, so add a website. All right, so we've added the website to index successfully, and that's going to start adding documents to the system in a minute. Okay, and we can even grab specifically a PDF. And so I want to grab this document here. All right, here it is, down save. And we're going to come here, and in documents, we're going to drop the document here. So here it is, advanced fees user manual. And users can find this document here if they want to download it, like a reference link, optional. All right, and so here it is. And it's going to index and all right, so now we have, advanced fees, and the context that we've given it is this PDF, we've given this YouTube video, and also we've given it this URL to crawl for additional information. So we can go back to chats and see, hi, what can you do? And see what it says now. See, so now it says, I'm here to help with advanced fees. I can assist with explaining how advanced fees works and fee schedules, finding and interpreting specific fee to your account, generating supporting invoices, receipts, reports, filing a dispute and refund request, tracking its status, troubleshooting common issues, payments notifications, accounts, update. Okay, so it took everything that we've given it so far and answered it with that context in mind. And that's essentially the point of this product, is that on one end, you can load it with proper context. On the other end, you can set it free and let it loose and let it be used. So we embed this chat, like you see this being accessed, straight from this URL, but it can also be embedded into the product that it's supporting.